All right, so I'm back on the camper. I'm just going to I want to take everything off, just the windows, try to get the door off, try to get the lights off, and hit the track for the J channel, or the screws for the J channel. But I'll be back and forth between fixing the drywall, my ceiling, and doing this, so it might not get done today, but if there's another day, you'll see another video. All right. Alright, well, the windows and some of the J channel, I gotta get my ladder, but I'm using it inside right now. So I have a feeling this corner is gonna have to be completely done. You can see it's rotted there, and I knew this was all rotted down here, so I assume like pretty much all the section right below where that bronze color is probably all to get redone. You can see some of this is soft, but it's gonna get replaced. So I'll go through and I'll just go ahead and hit it all. So this week I'm gonna try my best to get this entire side reframed. I'm hoping the floor doesn't look too bad. I may have to splice in a piece there, but we'll see. I'll have to get underneath and see how bad it is, but it seems all right. It's not nearly as bad as the rest of it, but we'll deal with it when we get there. Definitely, I opened this up and there's this hole right there, and I guarantee you water is flowing right down that little tiny hole. I don't know if you can see it, and I don't think a butyl tape actually covered it, so I bet this whole thing was just pouring from the beginning. But yeah, I just gotta take that track off from the top. I want to store all this stuff in my truck. So, and then put it all back once I get this stuff rebuilt. So anyway, I guess next time you'll see me pulling off the side and tearing off the metal. But till next time, like and subscribe.